Hello friends and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this part in SolidWorks following this sketch. So let's start. First we'll have to open a sketch in the front pane, and here we'll have to make first a center line. This will have 72 millimeters. And now with line we'll have to make half of this section view. So we'll start just like this. And now from here we'll select 3-point arc and we'll make an arc like this. Now we'll have to give some dimensions here. So from this line to this line will be 12.5. From this one to the center line will be 22.5. Okay, and now select this point with this point and make it horizontal. Very good. And now here will be 2.5. And from this point to this point here will be 3 millimeters. Okay, and from this point to this center line here will be 25. Nice. Now we'll have to make the rest of the sketch. Make it just like this, because we'll have to define them after. Let's see how many we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 8, so we need 2 more. Okay, and 1 more. Okay. And now just make this line right here, make these two collinear. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is perfect. Okay, now we'll have to give here a dimension. So from this line to this line, here will be 6 millimeters. Here will be 3 millimeters. This one will have 2 millimeters. Here we'll have 5. From this one to this one, here will be 15. Here will be 7. Okay. And now what we have to do, we have to delete this. Okay. Now I have to make a center line starting from this point and make it vertical. And now we'll have to select all of these lines and we have to make them collinear. Okay, and make them equal to, and now we'll give a dimension from this one to the center line. Here will be 3 degrees, the angle. Nice. Now this line will have 2 millimeters. This line here will have 3 millimeters. Now select all of these other lines and make them equal and collinear. Okay, we will see what's wrong. Let's delete this. Okay, this is good. This is almost done. Now what we have to do is to make here a 3-point arc. Just like this. Select this point and select here make vertical. And now with trim entities we'll cut this line. Okay. And now we'll have to multiply this 3-point arc at all of this. For this we'll use linear sketch pattern. We'll select it. Here we'll put 1. And here at direction 2, which is on Y axis, we'll put 8. And we'll select here reverse direction. And the dimension we'll put 5 millimeters. Sorry, 5. And press OK. Now this is better. We have 8 of them. And with trim entities we'll have to cut all of these lines. Okay, perfect. Now with smart dimension we'll have to give a dimension from this point to this line, which will be 6 millimeters. And now the sketch is fully defined. We'll go to features, we'll use revolved boss base, we'll select this center line and we'll press OK. This part is almost done. Now we'll use chamfer from fillet, we'll select this edge and here we'll put 0.5 millimeters and press OK. Now we still have to make these 4 holes here on top of the cylinder, so select this face, open a sketch, normal 2. Now we'll make a center line, we'll make a circle with the diameter of 4 millimeters, and from this point to this center point will be 20.30 millimeters. Now we have to make 4 of them, so we'll go to linear sketch, we'll select circular sketch pattern, we'll select this circle and we have 4. Press OK. Now select this point, and this point and select here make horizontal. It's fully defined. Go to features, use this fillet cut. Here we'll select through all and press OK. Nice. Now go to appearance and from here go to metal, go to brass. It's just because I like this color. Select your body, go here to apply scene and select plain white. This is looking very nice. And this part is done. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you like it, if you succeed in making it, you can leave a like, a share, a comment. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video.